All right, so here's an example of a percent of word problems when we did, different problems where it was just 20% of 50, problems like that. Here's an example of how you can apply that also to this word problem. Remember that a percent is a ratio or a fraction out of 100. And so a percent is not a number or that amount. It's a ratio, it's a fraction. And I'll give you an example of that when we look at this word problem. Alex wants to buy a pair of pants that regularly cost $60. Today, the pants are on sale for 30% of the regular price. How much will Alex save on the pants? So when I said the percent is not just like a dollar amount here in this problem, or it's $30, 30% means 30 parts out of 100. So we've got to figure out how much that money is and how much he'll be taking off, because this 30 is a percent. So first, using our organizer, find the question. That's the problem that's asking you to find. So how much will Alex save on the pants? For the action words, For the action words, again, actually it does have it here. We say of means multiply. We've talked about of meaning multiply. But the action of putting a percent of the money off the jeans I'm just using the sentence from another problem. The action of taking a percent of the money off the price of the jeans means taking a part of the money, and that is multiplication. But it says here 30% of the original price. We've got $60, which 60 is a whole number. My 30%, again, that is like a fraction. That's a part. So solve and check your answer. Well, remember we use this organizer to solve those type of problems. We've got 30%. The 30% always goes here. The percent always goes in this box. Now we've got to figure out, is this my part or is this my whole? We can go back and look at the word problem to find the question in the word problem to kind of figure that out. So how much will Alex save on the pants? If that's what it's asking, that means that we're trying to figure out how much money he will get off of it. So if I'm trying to figure that out, that means I already know the whole. So I don't know my part. I don't know how much money he'll save on the jeans. But I do know how much the total price of the jeans costs. The jeans cost $60. So remember to solve these. I can cross multiply 60 times 30 and get a product, get a number. I cannot multiply 100 times x and get a product and get an actual number. I'll just get another equation. So if I do 60 times 30, and again, if you do not know, use a calculator. But because I know my zeros rules, I can do that. And I know that that's 1800. Now I have 100. That's the number that's left over in the proportion that I did not do anything with. Wait, let me put this comma here. That is a comma. I want to make sure I put that there. So 1800 or 1800 divided by 100 is 18. Again, if you do not know, use a calculator. So that means x equals 18. So to go back to the word problem to see if I answered my question, how much will Alex save on the pants? Does this make sense? Yes, this makes sense because the answer is less than the price of the jeans. Or, well, it didn't say jeans, it said pants. So what does that mean? The pants cost $60. If I'm taking 30% of that price, that 30% can't be higher than 60. I'm only taking a part of it off. I couldn't save $80 if the pants only cost $60 to begin with. So he's saving a total of $18, and that does make sense.